Hi guys, Whirlpool code F3E0. It means the main oven sensor open or shorted. This is from a control board from here. But this is old control board, you see it corrosion. Too many corrosion here. And here it means it is with thermistor like this. This is it. This is it. So it means that is not see the resistance because here too much corrosion, resistors, thermistors and something else. That's why I need to clean if you do not have a new control board, but it's maybe it's 20% that it will help, and just to change a new control board. That's all, very simple. So if it's F3E1, it's a manual for technicians only. You see here you can stop and to see how to check it, but only two things, or a thermistor, thermosensor, or a control board. That's all.